Hey guys, got a new cable for the Gateway computer. It came out already, so let's unbox it. Also came with that cape, so it came with that. So this is for the Gateway computer whatsoever. So first, all we gotta do is get to this. This is an aftermarket one, and yes it is. No, original one. It's on Amazon. Then, same thing we had to do with that. Oh yeah, I'm working on the Gateway computer upgrade, so whatsoever. So we should probably make this cable a bit longer. Probably that too. So we probably need to make sure, so we had to plug this in to the connector. Just okay, once we did, now we're gonna plug it to the outlet whatsoever, because I'm using an outlet for now. So and I'm using a jacket too, so whatsoever. So let's get this off and pretty much connected right over here. Huh. What the weird. Oh yes, it did manage to work, and we finally made the Gateway computer workable. I might have to put it through this side. Let's see how the computer can actually function. So originally, 2 years ago, we had to use an Acer Aspire 1 ZG5 outlet a battery charger whatsoever, because I don't know why we were using it in the first place, because it has 65 watts while this computer requires 90 watts, so it's not that much power anyways. It's just the same one as the other model, which is the Gateway ZX 4250. So this is the ZX 4270. So it's 2 years newer exactly, and it will log into the account. How fun. Sorry guys for the annoying interruption because my brothers were here. That way my brother was here. Anyways, since you got the new outlet whatsoever, this will be pretty much better than the Acer Aspire 1 ZG5, since oh yeah, that thing did not want to work with the Gateway computer anymore, since even though it pretty much fits on it, yeah, I would 100% not recommend it. So just get an aftermarket one or like a first party one. I mean, pretty much sure some people think that some aftermarket ones are okay, some of them are not good. Also, pretty much sometimes the screen's like pretty much washed out for this camera, because I don't know if it's the screen or it's just my camera. Pretty much my camera, so I think that doesn't affect in a person's eye whatsoever. At least it's still gonna have more watts, so this is the correct wattage. Yes, it's like 90 watts whatsoever for this computer. Since this computer only supports like 90 watts, and that's the thing that was originally supported with, and it still supports to this day. At least it's still much better than the Acer Aspire ZG5 outlet. Yeah, which is a netbook whatsoever. Either way, thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and maybe I'll just do this upgrade journey for the gaming computer before vacation, because I'm going to go with a family reunion again. But I want to upload videos still, because I have videos lying around. Not sure if I can upload them for now. So yeah, bye.